welcome back to my channel. So good to see you and hang out with you today. And I'm very excited you tuned in to this video today. I mean, I want you to tune into all my videos, but today's video is super special because I'm sharing with you a brand new release, a brand new skincare product that I am so in love with. And it's by one of my favorite brands, Photozyme MD. They just launched this product and I'm sharing with you all the details, all the science, the new technology, the ingredients behind this product that make it so different and unique and amazing that you will get such great results from. So let's jump into it. If you want to see what this new Photozyme MD launch is, then let's get to it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the big red subscribe button below. Subscribe and join our skincare family here where we are all about getting the best skin of our lives. I'm here with tips to give you your best skin. I've been in the medical grade skincare business now for about 13 years. I swear all years just run together at this point. It's been 13 years. But I've been in the skincare business working with cosmetic doctors and dermatologists and formulators for years. And I'm here to share with you all the truth, the science, and products that give you true results to your skin. So join me. I am 42 years old. I have better skin now than I did when I was 20. And I'm sharing all my tips and secrets with you. So subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And then also you can head on over to my Instagram, join my Instagram family, because honestly, I'm on there pretty much every single day with more skincare tips and fashion, fitness, mom life, kids, pets, you name it is on my Instagram every single day. So join me over there. I would love to have you on my Instagram family. But you guys, I love this product so much. I can't wait to share it with you. Let's dive in. Okay, I feel like we need a little bit of a drum roll here because this product is so good. You guys know I am all about science and technology and real just formulations that come together and actually deliver results. So like I said, I've been in the skincare business now for a while. I know formulators, I know labs, I know how it works, I know the behind the scenes, I know the marketing that comes with skincare. So I give you guys the real true products that give real results with the best formulations. And this is definitely one of them. So what I'm sharing with you guys today is a brand new launch by Photozyme MD. And again, Photozyme MD is one of my favorite brands. If you're not familiar with them, they are a DNA repair enzyme brand, which they truly have amazing formulations to repair the DNA damage from within your skin, starting at the skin cell. It's amazing. So one of their products that they formerly had, and they still carry this product, obviously, is the GFS Plus Night Serum. It's a 0.5% retinol. And this product is amazing. This is such a good formulated retinol, right? I love it. It's amazing. But I honestly just didn't really use it myself that much because my skin is used to a more potent form of vitamin A and a more potent percentage of vitamin A. This is amazing if you are newer to vitamin A. 100%. If you have sensitive skin or newer to vitamin A, the 0.5 retinol is so bomb. But I just needed more potency to my skin. So I might have hinted around a little bit at Photozyme saying that they need to come out with a 1% retinol. And that is what they did, you guys. This is the new GFS Plus Night Serum 1% retinol. And when I tell you this is loaded to the max of anti-aging, I am not even exaggerating. This is not just a retinol. This is not just a vitamin A. And I'm going to get into that and all the ingredients behind it because it is so much more than just a retinol. And that's what I love about new science and technology and formulations today is you can take a vitamin A and you can add so many other, amazing needed anti-aging ingredients to it and make this insanely effective anti-aging product that is your must-have vitamin A, then has all this other extra and bonus anti-aging to it too. So again, this is brand new, just launched, exclusive here on Skin Truth. And you guys, I've been using this. I love it. The formulation is so good. So I actually got to talk to the formulator in the lab. I talked to the formulator of this product and he gave me the inside scoop of exactly this formulation. So let's dive into it a little bit more because you guys know I only bring you the best and I only share with you products that I truly use myself and love. This I have been using and I love it. Love it. So this is a 1% retinol. That is potent. A 1% retinol is very potent. but this is formulated in a way that has no irritation and no inflammation. It's all about the delivery system and all about the formulation. And that is key because I do not use vitamin A products that give me any sort of irritation or inflammation. No, I am not about that in my life. I like good looking skin. So this has no irritation, no inflammation. I've been using this for a while. Zero irritation, zero redness, flakiness, just nothing like that. Just true better skin. So this has a 1% retinol. Okay, so that we all know. But what this also has, because like I said, it's loaded with other anti-aging benefits. This also has new technology and new science for collagen stimulation. This I found so interesting when I was talking to the formulator. So basically, you know, when you go to get a laser treatment done, the whole point of laser is basically the laser is targeting the deep levels of your skin and it's wounding your skin so that your skin cells and your skin basically send out signals to stimulate collagen to repair that wound. That is one of the key functions of getting a laser treatment, is to stimulate that collagen. So what is in this new retinol serum is a new technology kind of formulation, kind of ingredients called LPA, which actually will get deep within your skin and create that same signaling to your skin cells that says there's a wound in the skin, even though there's not. It's signaling like there is a wound, so it's stimulating that collagen from within. So it has this huge collagen stimulation ingredient to it as well. But then there is new technology peptides as well, which have been clinically proven to stimulate collagen and elastin at the same time. A bunch of peptides, not just one. There's a bunch of different peptides in here that will stimulate collagen and elastin. And then there's also vitamin C derivatives as well that are going to help with fighting free radicals overnight, repairing damage overnight, all the amazing things that vitamin C does at the same time. So that is kind of it in a nutshell. There's so much new technology and just collagen stimulation in this product along with the 1% retinol. It's amazing, you guys. And again, no irritation, no inflammation, which is key. You do not need to see flaking or peeling to know that your vitamin A is working. In fact, that's a myth. You actually don't want to see flaking. You don't want to see peeling. That is not a sign that your vitamin A, your retinoid is working. That is not a sign at all. That's a sign of irritation. That's a sign of inflammation. You actually want to use a product and a retinoid that you don't see that flaking and that peeling and that irritation to your skin. Then you know you are using the correct product and a product that's super effective, because inflammation equals aging to your skin. You don't want to be using a product that's irritating your skin and breaking down your skin barrier. This will not give you that irritation, yet it is packed full of new science and technology along with a 1% potent retinol. This is amazing, you guys. Like I said, I've been using it. I absolutely love it. I swear by it. The technology, the science behind this is top of the top. And you guys know I only bring you the best. So I had to share this with you guys. And I'm so thankful that Photozyme MD brought a 1% retinol to their skincare game. This is a game changer. I hope you guys enjoyed just a quick look at this new retinol. I love it. I will link it down below. Again, you can find it exclusively at skintruth.com, which that is my website. I will link it down below along with a 20% coupon code that you can use. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm so excited for you guys to try this. It is like top of the top in formulations. So